Are you a real estate agent that doesn't seem to have the time in order for you to prospect, but you're wanting to get more business? Well, I got an AI tool that can do all the prospecting for you while you're out going on listing appointments and showing buyers homes. This tool is so massive for lead generation for real estate agents. It's going to be a game changer for all the people that are wanting to boost up and seem like they don't have the time to do prospecting. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. I'm sure every other real estate agent has experienced this. As soon as you start getting busy and start getting more clients, what's the first thing that happens? Your prospecting go down. You no longer have the time to try to make content or try to go out and make calls and follow up with people in order for you to get business, because you're spending all the time facilitating all the leads and people that you have currently. Well, this AI tool is going to solve all that. You're going to be able to use it when you're out on those appointments in order for you to generate more business, and it's a game changer. So if you're a real estate agent and you're wanting to learn more about artificial intelligence and want to see personally how I implemented it into my business as a real estate agent and saw massive growth, I can guarantee you if you follow exactly what I teach in this course, you're going to become more efficient and make more money. So if you want to learn exactly how to use AI as a real estate agent, go to the description. I got a course outlining it step by step on how our team is making about $100,000 more from just using AI. And what's the best part? It's actually eliminated a ton of expenses, so I'm not only making more money, I'm actually putting more money in my pocket too. Okay, so for the tool that's going to generate leads on automation for you is going to be Phantom Buster. So a little disclaimer, you are going to need a social media account in order to take advantage of this. I personally use this in my LinkedIn. So what it can do is use its artificial intelligence tools to find people directly on LinkedIn that can be potential leads for you. So for me, how I used it is I was wanting to target accountants in a certain field in my market because I know these are really heavy on LinkedIn. And I was able to scrape it with this Phantom Buster tool in order to produce a list of all the people in my area that were accountants. And then you can use the tool in order to DM all these people. I go from a very non-spammy approach where I just say, hey, how's it going? And this led to me getting 2 deals directly from LinkedIn in the first couple times that I used Phantom Buster. So it was a massive game changer in terms of being efficient because it automated the whole entire process and produced me a list of people from my LinkedIn. I then used that list in order to plug it into my email campaign that I was already running to my database of other leads that I generated online. And now I'm following up with these people in my market, in the profession that I want to target, deeming me as an authority. So I took it another step further because Phantom Buster can produce you a list with these people's contact information in order for you to retarget them. They already are seeing your content on LinkedIn. They're already knowing who you are. Now you can actually solidify yourself as being that authority of the number one real estate agent by following up with them on email or speaking to them in the DMs. And Phantom Buster handles all this with their AI tools. So if you're someone that wants to learn how to generate leads for free using artificial intelligence, you're going to want to take my course there. It's in the description. My team is sales continue to go up while everyone else's sales go down. And I even got crazy stuff in there on how you can design Facebook ads in 30 seconds or less. And these Facebook ads, for every $1,000 we're investing in marketing, is making us $10,000. So if you only have $500 a month in order to spend on this, you're going to be making $5,000. There's no other way a real estate agent can grow their business as fast as they can using these AI tools that I teach them in my course. So if you want to learn, go to the description and join the course. I would love to share all the secrets that I'm using to grow my real estate business with artificial intelligence.